Now you asked for it. Damn near killed him. Chinese kid. He's Korean.
You got some balls for a Chinaman.
I'm Korean.
Whatever.
So, back to it.
Stop it.
It wasn't your fault.
What?
Lamb, save me.